Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You need to act now. Open Command Prompt as administrator so commands can modify disks. First, identify the drive letter you'll fix, for example C. Once done, type a simple test, Chkdsk C, to C status. This only reports issues. You do this because Chkdsk examines file system metadata and locates bad sectors. Make sure to close any programs using the drive. Exclusive access avoids data conflicts. If prompted to schedule at next boot, accept to allow repairs on the system volume. Now run the repair. Type Chkdsk C/F to fix file system errors. This updates metadata and clears corrupt entries. If you suspect physical issues, run Chkdsk C/F/R to scan for bad sectors and try to recover readable data. This takes longer. If the volume is in use, the tool will ask to schedule at next boot. Type Y and reboot. You do this because fixes require exclusive disk access, and the boot environment lets Chkdsk operate without interference. After Chkdsk completes, review the results shown in the command prompt or the system log in Event Viewer to confirm repairs. If problems continue, run sfc/scano to fix protected system files, then use dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the Windows image. These address software-level corruption. Make sure to reboot between steps. If repeated scans report physical bad sectors or smart errors, back up your data immediately and replace the drive. Hardware failure requires replacement, not software fixes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.